Root guards are the bouncers of your Angular app, controlling who gets in and who stays out. But what exactly does the canActivate guard do, and when does it kick in? canActivate is a root guard that controls access to roots in Angular. It runs before a root is activated or loaded, acting as a checkpoint in your navigation flow. Think of it as a security gate. When a user tries to navigate to a protected route, canActivate executes first and decides whether to grant or deny access. This happens before Angular loads the component or any of its dependencies, making it an efficient way to protect your app. How does canActivate communicate its decision? It returns one of three types: a Boolean for synchronous checks, an observable of Boolean for async operations like HTTP calls, or a promise of Boolean for promise-based logic. If the return value resolves to true, navigation proceeds. If false, navigation is blocked and the user stays on the current page. In practice, canActivate is perfect for authentication checks and role-based access control. For example, you might check if a user is logged in before allowing access to a dashboard, or verify admin privileges before showing an admin panel. You can implement canActivate as a class that implements the canActivate interface, or as a modern functional guard using Angular's standalone API. Here's a simple example. An auth guard that checks if a token exists, redirects to login if not, and returns true if the user is authenticated. To sum up, canActivate is Angular's root guard that checks conditions before navigation, returning a Boolean or async value to allow or block access. Master this pattern, and you'll ace any Angular routing question. Practice building guards, and you'll be ready for your interview. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.